Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do some unboxing of Zeiss Batis 85mm f1.8. At the beginning, as you can see, everything is packed in a very nice cardboard. When you open it, it's covered with a very nice soft foam, so it's very beautiful. So you can be sure that your lens is protected in a very good way. This is how it looks inside, and we are going to begin with some papers included with a box. So that's it. Okay, and we are going to put it out. In the pocket you've got lens by itself, very nice looking lens hood with a Batis cover on it. This is how this lens is looking, and I think that the design of this lens is almost perfect. Guys, I love this design. So now let's see the front element glass. It's also looking perfect for me. We have to say that this lens is looking quite compact. You have a 67mm filter size in the front of this lens. On the back of this lens you've got a rubber gasket in a blue color, so it's matched in a very nice way. And also here is a very strong point for me, because this manual focus ring is working perfectly, guys. It's working very nice, and it's not it has any stiffness in it, so this manual ring is perfect. Inside the lens you've got 11 elements in a 9 groups. You have also an autofocus mode system, and I think that the most important is that you've got image stabilization in it. So it's only 85mm for Sony E mount prime lens, which gives you that image stabilization system. So you have to consider it very strongly when you are going to purchase your portrait lens for a Sony E mount system. And let's take closer to every element. In the front cap, very nice looking, very nice Zeiss sign in the front of it. Also very nice looking lens hood. Here you've got OLED screen when you can when you are getting an information about the distance of focusing. So guys, that's all. I'm already in love with this lens. I'm going to compare it with Samyang 85 f1.4. I'm going to compare it with Tamron 70 to 180. I'm going to compare it with Sony E50 f1.8 OSS for APS-C system. So if you are interested in it, just subscribe and like below. Please also comment if you want to get anything about this lens. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you will come here again. And that's it. That was Zeiss Batis 85mm f1.8 for you guys. Thank you. See ya.